Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free of cost PDF encrypting software for Windows computer. So without any further delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you, say I have one PDF file as you can see right now. So let me open it. So you can see this is non-encrypted PDF file. So how you can encrypt this PDF file? So for this, just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application name as PDF Encrypt, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see its official website, and below you can see a download installer, and there is a portable edition also, and even you can get a source code also if you want to have a source code of this application. So here you can download either the portable one also, which does not require any installation. You can directly run it, or you can download the installer. So I will download the portable edition. So wait for a few seconds until the complete downloading is done. So finally the download has been completed. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded, and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to extract this zip file. And just open the extracted folder, and now you can see here application. Just double click it to run the software. So now you can see the user interface of this software. So it's a very straightforward software. So in the first option it's asking choose a file to encrypt. So just click on this box icon. Now locate to the folder where you have saved the PDF file, or which PDF file you want to edit. So let me select this PDF file, click on open. Now you can choose the destination folder wherever you want to save a destination folder. So let me create a folder here, and let me choose the destination folder. Let me give a name edited PDF. Click on save. So here you can see specify a password required to open the file. You can generate here also if you want to generate a file. So just click on generate, and you can see here the respective password. So you can click on copy in order to copy this, and you can paste it on anywhere. Say I will just paste it in the notepad, and you can just click on file and save it for your future reference if you want to save it for future reference also. And below you can see here settings, right? Just click on settings, and now you will see here tons of option, like you can confirm a password, encrypt metadata, permission. You can allow some permission also if you wish, and there is a algorithm encryption method, whichever you want to choose. The recommended is the first option, which is auto selected. You can do this options also, like you can select those options like show destination file and folder, close PDF encrypt, run a program, whatever you want to choose. And before encrypting, if you want to allow some permissions like copying or printing, then you can just enable this permission if you want to allow printing in this encrypted PDF file. So I'll just untick it right now and just click on OK. And now if once your all settings are done, you can just click on encrypt. Wait for a few seconds. So this PDF file has been encrypted. Now let us go to the destination folder. So let us try to open this PDF file which we have edited, that is which we have encrypted. Let us see if this really gonna work or not. So let me open it. So you can see it's asking a password. So I've already copied this in a notepad. So let me just copy this password and let me paste it here, and let me click on open file. Now you can see I can open the PDF file. So let us check the original file. So let me show you the original file. So it's not encrypted. So using this very tiny application, yet useful application named as PDF Encrypt, you can easily encrypt any PDF file for free in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool software, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.